Hey everybody, welcome to GV Ball Python. This is the Peach level, your second boss, and I'm just trying to guide you through it, even though this is a little bit darned. The heck? Alright. Never mind, let's just go. Okay, well first of all, you can get the fire, but I'm not going to get the fire because it is better to get the, darn it. Sorry, my camera, doesn't have any flat surfaces, so I'm trying to, yeah. So you can go over here, because there's that. Hit it up there, see what it is. Oh, that's a Bowser coin. You want those, so, take that, come down here. See, there's a Yoshi. Just, jump up there and kill him. And, come down here, grab the feather, even though you don't need it. Come around here, there's your little check mark thing. You can go down there and kill them and stuff, and there's oh crap. Well, it looks like I'm going to be showing you how to do this too then. Come over here, kill the pink one. You can get all these if you like, but since you have feathers, it doesn't really matter. Kill the evil looking toad thing. Come up here, there's some coins up here you can get. Probably smarter to get the coins because they're coins, you know. Peach is very easy when you have wings, because all you need to do is jump up here and nail her. And so instead of using the flower and stuff, and when you're over here you can do this, walk toward it or run toward it. Either way you're all safe. And when she comes around, just jump up and nail her. And I think it's 5 times you have to get her or something. Just keep trying that. There you go. She throws down the mushrooms. It's like I don't know, it's just, what's the big idea with mushrooms? I didn't know that Peach did anything with mushrooms. And you can't go through there or anything, it's just gotta keep attacking her. Boom, there she goes. And that is how you defeat Peach. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time with the next boss. See ya.